How long does it take to get marriage green card case in early July 2024? 17 days. I'm gonna talk about real case. I'm gonna repeat one more time. 17 days. A foreign spouse entered the US with a valid work visa. They dated quite some time and got married in June 2023, and they live in Illinois. USCIS received their I-130 petition and 45 application on June 21st, 2024. We included 693 medical exam report, but didn't include 131 application. 6 days later, USCIS sent a notice of reusing previously captured biometrics, June 27, 2024. His work permit application was approved July 7, 2024. Their I-130 petition and 45 application were approved next day, July 8, 2024. Took exactly 17 days for USCIS to approve their case without interview. So what's the takeaway? Before Trump's comeback to slow down fast-track marriage green card case, you should apply now. What are the most common requests for evidence for marriage green card case? You watch my TikTok videos on marriage green card case timeline, 17 days, 43 days, less than 2 months, and less than 3 months. Our cases go fast and get approval fast because we rarely get requests for evidence or interview. The request for evidence and your response to it will slow down your process. So what are the most common requests for evidence that you need to be aware and to avoid? Number one, birth certificate. Make sure that you submit long form, means that it shows your father's name, mother's name. Number two, affidavit of support. Make sure that you submit correct and complete A64 form and then submit the most recent tax return. Number three, skinny relationship documents. Make sure that you submit a strong relationship documents to avoid this common request for evidence. What are the 3 ways to get your marriage green card case approval fast? I'm Attorney Jay Francis. Today I'm going to talk about 3 ways to avoid case processing approval delays. Number 1, apply now. You watch my TikTok videos on 17 days, 43 days, less than 2 months, or less than 3 months approval. Number 2, accurate and complete USCIS forms. Especially, make sure that you present complete and accurate address, the records for past 5 years. Number 3, submit your medical exam report with all the forms and supporting documents. You have many opportunities to submit 693 medical exam report, but make sure that you submit initially with everything. What would be marriage green card process under Trump if he returns to presidency? I was a history college professor for 22 years, so I don't believe in the saying history repeats itself, but we can learn from the past. Today, I'm going to talk about marriage green card case process under his first presidency, and then we may speculate into what would happen if he returns. Before Trump, if foreign nationals enter with non-immigrant visa or with ESTA, they have to wait 60 days. Now, he increased wait time to 90 days. Number 2, supercharged public charge. In order to be eligible to adjust your status to permanent residency, you have to pass a public charge evaluation. Having joint sponsor wasn't sufficient under Trump. Number 3, for those who simply overstayed the visa or put it into removal proceeding under his presidency. Overall, marriage green card case process became more difficult under Trump. So what's the takeaway? If you want fast marriage green card case, you must apply now before he may come back next year.